The following chapter focuses on fire-resistant construction techniques. Structural design considerations for fire resistance play a vital role in ensuring the safety and integrity of buildings during a fire. In this tutorial, we will explore some key factors and techniques that architects and engineers need to consider when designing a structure to be fire-resistant. Use fire-resistant materials in the construction of load-bearing components such as walls, columns, and beams. For instance, concrete, brick, and steel exhibit good fire-resistant properties. Consider using non-combustible materials in the interior, finishes such as fire-rated gypsum board to prevent the spread of flames. Divide the building into compartments or fire zones, each with its own fire resistance rate. This helps contain the fire to a specific area, delaying its spread and providing occupants with ample time to evacuate. Install fire-rated walls and floors with appropriate fire resistance ratings, ensuring they are properly sealed to prevent the passage of smoke and flame. Design structural elements to withstand elevated temperatures and avoid collapse during a fire. Provide adequate fire protection for steel members, such as intumescent coatings of fire-resistant insulation, to delay their heating and maintain their load-bearing capacity. Incorporate fire protection measures for timber elements, such as the application of fire-retardant coating to enhance their fire resistance. Consider the impact of vertical and horizontal openings, such as stairwells, elevator shafts, and HVAC ducts, on fire spread within the building. Install fire-rated doors and walls at these openings to create barriers that can contain or slow down the fire. Integrate active fire suppression systems, including sprinklers and fire alarms, which can detect and suppress fires at an early stage. Ensure the design of fire suppression systems aligns with local building codes and regulations. Create a clear path for emergency egress by designing adequate exit routes and maintaining proper signage throughout the building. Consider the capacity of the evacuation routes to accommodate a sufficient number of occupants in case of an emergency. If the design includes windows and glazed areas, specify fire-resistant glazing systems that can withstand high temperatures and prevent fire penetration. Use fire-rated doors and windows in areas where fire compartmentalization is essential. Roofing materials play a crucial role in fire-resistant construction. Embers and heat from nearby fires can ignite roofs, leading to the rapid spread of fire. Using fire-resistant roofing materials can help prevent roof fires and protect the underlying structure. Clay tiles. Clay tiles are a traditional roofing material with excellent fire resistance. They are non-combustible and can withstand high temperatures. Metal roofing, such as steel or aluminum sheets, is also highly fire resistant. These materials do not ignite, and they have low combustibility. Fire-resistant shingles, specialty shingles treated with fire-resistant coatings or made from fire-resistant materials like fiberglass, can provide added protection against fire. Install fire-rated barriers, such as fire-resistant walls and floors, to limit the spread of fire and smoke. Ensure the integrity of fire-rated barriers by preventing the installation of penetrations that compromise their performance. Validate the fire resistance of the building components by conducting fire tests according to recognized standards. Specify materials and systems that have been tested and certified for fire resistance, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Implement a regular maintenance plan to ensure fire protection measures are in working order. Conduct inspections to check the integrity of fire-rated barriers, fire suppression systems, and emergency egress routes. Based on these structural design considerations for fire resistance, architects and engineers can create buildings that are well prepared to withstand and limit the impact of fires. It is important to work in compliance with local building codes and regulations, and regularly update knowledge on new fire-resistant construction techniques to ensure the highest level of safety for buildings. Occupants